Do you wish to earn money online? Not exactly sure where to proceed? Perhaps you have a product which you might market online, or possibly you have skills which you can trade for money in the internet market. Lots of people's first experience of generating income online includes purchasing and also offering via online auction websites. These use a great opportunity to discover the art of online organization, yet take a cut of your money. A much better way to make money online, if you can generate enough online promotion to support it, is with your very own site. This suggests you can supply your product and services straight to the general public or to various other on-the-internet businesses. All the cash you make online in this manner will go straight to your service. Another means to generate income online is through a firm which can sell your service or product for you. This can be a good choice if you wish to focus on production rather than on online promo and also sales, so you can generate income without needing to stress over it. Relying on your area of proficiency, there are numerous firms committed to helping you make money online. Just how can you access them? Through an on-the-internet search or by utilizing on-the-internet work data sources. Whichever means you select to generate income online, what truly matters is the quality of your product and services and just how you existing yourself online. You will make more money if you are certain in your skills and can offer a great perception online. Make the effort to be familiar with the on-the-internet atmosphere in which you wish to earn money. In this way you can determine the degree of online demand for your product and services. Quickly you'll have the ability to generate income online as if you'd been doing it all your life. Over and out. If you like this video, hit the like button below.